Welcome back to California Fish and Forage, everybody. I'm Marquise, and today we're at this beautiful beach in Monterey Bay, and we're going to be testing out this new Ayamaya backpacking fire pit. It's 800 grams, just under 2 pounds. Perfect for a little backpacking adventures when you want to get out and then just have a little fire right at the camp, or just, you know, in this case, just a little bonfire at the beach, hanging out with some friends, barbecuing. We made a little pit here to enjoy the festivities. Take a look, guys. It's going to be fun. Take a look at this fire pit we put together, guys. It's going to be real cool. A little Art Deco right here. Then you follow the path. Mind the steps here. And here we have it, guys. The perfect bonfire pit. Perfect scenery.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that bell for notifications of all your California fish and forage adventures.